James Gillray was born August 13, 1756, died June 1, 1815. He was a British caricaturist and printmaker famous for his etched political and social satires, mainly published between 1792 and 1810. Many of his works are held at the National Portrait Gallery in London. Gillray has been called the father of the political cartoon, with his works satirizing George III, Napoleon, prime ministers and generals, regarded as being one of the two most influential cartoonists, the other being William Hogarth. Gillray's wit and humour, knowledge of life, fertility of resource, keen sense of the ludicrous, and beauty of execution, at once gave him the first place among caricaturists. His caricatures are almost all in etching, some also with aquatint, and a few using stipple technique. None can correctly be described as engravings, although this term is often loosely used to describe them. Hogarth's works were the delight and study of his early years. Paddy on Horseback, which appeared in 1779, is the first caricature which is certainly his. Two caricatures on Admiral Rodney's naval victory at the Battle of the Sand, issued in 1782, were among the first of the memorable series of his political sketches. Gillray's caricatures may be divided into two classes, political and social. The political caricatures form a historical record of the latter part of the reign of George III, whom Gillray called Farmer George. They were widely circulated throughout Britain and Europe. In this series George III, the Queen, the Prince of Wales, Charles James Fox, Edmund Burke, William Pitt, and Napoleon are trenchantly satirized. The latter two are featured in a celebrated cartoon, The Plum Pudding in Danger. Among Gillray's best satires on the king are the Anti-Saccharites, in which the king and queen propose to dispense with sugar to the great horror of the family, and the companion plates of Farmer George and his wife frying sprats and toasting muffins. After 1807 Gillray declined mentally and eventually became insane. Gillray's plates were executed in etching with stipple and colored by hand. They were produced in broadsheets for popular consumption, and perhaps this is one of the reasons for the spontaneity that makes them so lively and timely.